Hey everybody, welcome to Totally in Transit. Today we're going to talk about Plasti dip. I am going to go ahead and start Plasti dipping my hubcaps. I took them off at the beginning of our video series, and today I'm finally getting around to Plasti dipping them. So the first thing we're going to do is give them a wash. So let's go ahead and do that with the power washer. So now that they've been washed with the power washer, we let them dry. They look pretty good.
Okay, so here they are, nice and clean. Well, partially nice and clean, but good enough. So that looks like actually paint. This one's looking awesome. This one's looking awesome. And this one's looking awesome. So we're ready for the next step. We're going to put the Plasti dip on, and then we'll put the final coat on, and we'll be ready to rock and roll.
And then now we're going to go ahead and wipe them off with a cloth to make sure that there's no additional grime on there that we might have missed with the power washer, as well as any floaties from the sky. Okay, so now we've got the hubcaps prepped and we're ready to Plasti dip them. Let's go ahead and Plasti dip them now. Well, that seemed to go pretty good. We went ahead and sprayed them while they were flat on the ground in a horizontal position because the can was full. And as you saw, we went over the same area multiple times, laying on a pretty thick layer of Plasti dip. Now that the can is getting a little more empty, we want to go ahead and stand those hubcaps up vertically and spray the aerosol can from a vertical perspective, as they really aren't made to be sprayed on a horizontal perspective. Let's go ahead and do that now. Now that the base layer of Plasti dip is applied, it was the matte black, I want to go ahead and put a metalizer over it. I won't subject you to watching me do more Plasti dip and showing off my amazing fast forward skills, but I will show you the result of what the product looks like once they have been metalized. Stay tuned. Okay, we've got the base coat of metalizer on. Let's take a look at that. Hopefully in the camera it shows up the little reflective dots. As you guys can tell, it does look like a metal rim, at least to me it does, and not like a plastic hubcap. Alright, so that is how we Plasti dipped our hubcaps on our 250 Ford Transit. Please hit subscribe if you like what you see, and we'll see you next time on Totally in Transit. Thanks, bye.